Good afternoon, all. We're about 5 minutes late for our 1:30 weekend warm-ups with Dr. Mike. We're back here on another nice Friday. It's kind of nice outside. A little balmy, but hopefully the weekend's going to be nice, and we're going to show you some stretches to do today for your upper back area. Why is that important? Probably one of the most important areas to stretch, because after a whole day from Monday through Friday, a week's worth of sitting at a desk, all week, sitting at a computer, working on your phone, you end up like this, right? So your head's forward, your shoulders are forward, your back hurts, and that causes a lot of problems into the neck, into the upper back, causing pain into the arm. So what we're going to do today are some simple stretches you can do to alleviate some of those upper back and middle back pains and tightnesses that you have. Great not just to do on a weekend, but every day when you come home from work, if you do these simple stretches, it's going to help to relax those muscles and counteract all that tightness. So we're going to start first with what's called a rhomboid stretch. We call it that because this muscle in your back is called the rhomboid muscle. So what you're going to do is you're going to take one arm, so we're going to start with our left arm, put it over our right shoulder, take our right hand and put it on our left elbow, and we're going to push this way. So as you're doing that, what you're going to feel is a stretching sensation in between your shoulder blades. That's really important to start to stretch those shoulder muscles which are in this hunched position all day long. So by stretching this way and holding that position for 10 seconds till you feel a stretch. If it hurts, back off. Remember, we always say that, don't cause pain. And then you're going to do the same thing to the opposite side. So put your right hand over your left shoulder, left hand on your right elbow, and you're going to push this way. And you're going to feel a stretch in your middle back again on that, under that shoulder blade. So you can do each of those 2 to 3 times. Another great stretch to do is what's called a cat stretch. And again, just because what cats do, they love to stretch. I think I was a cat in a past life because I love to stretch. It feels so good. And this is a great stretch for that. So you can get on the floor or on a firm mattress, not on the couch because you're going to hurt yourself. Get in this this position, okay, on all fours. And what you're going to do is you're going to bring your chin to your chest, and at the same time, arch your shoulders up. So you're pushing up, and I tell patients, try to act like you're pushing so hard with your hands that you're trying to split your back. So head down, pushing up as far as you can, holding that for 10 seconds, and then you're going to push back with your arms so that your butt is on your heels, and you're pushing back. You're going to hold that for 10 seconds, then come back up, collapse, and then do the same thing again, pushing up for 10 seconds, really stretching your shoulder blades, and then pushing back for 10 seconds. And that's going to start stretching the upper and the lower back area. Now the last stretch you want to do is to open up your chest and your pec muscles. So the best way to do that is to put your hands behind your back and just take a deep breath and pull back with your hands. And as you're pulling back with your hands, keep your head back. You're going to feel a stretching sensation here. Again, if you're sitting all day at your desk, just do that for 5 minutes every couple hours. It's going to help to counteract that forward posture. So again, you're holding here, pulling back, taking a deep breath, and bringing your chin back. And hold that, and you're going to feel a stretch into here. Now what I have here is what's called a foam roller. And a foam roller is a great activity to be doing at home. We're going to actually be doing some workshops in our office, and we'll also be doing some webinars, Facebook Live webinars on how to use this. But a great thing to do with this when you're home is just to put it behind your back when you come home, lying on the back, on the floor, and just lying like this to allow these shoulders to stretch back and your head to stretch back. If you don't have a foam roller, you can do it with a book. Take a small book, maybe about 2 inches in height, or you can take a towel, roll it up with a piece of wood in there, and anything you can put behind your back to allow your shoulders to come back and your head to come back. It's going to be a great exercise to open up your chest cavities. Okay? So these are some things for you to work on over the weekend. If you have questions about these, please make sure you call us at 845-634-8877, or you can check out our Facebook page or our website at www.newcitychiropractic.com. Remember, chiropractic is just for the health of it. Next Friday, we'll be doing some neck stretches to start to stretch some of those neck muscles to get those out, get the kinks out of there. Until then, have a great weekend.